Hey, it's going on YouTube. Soldier Knows Best here, and I'm doing my second "What's in My Dock" video. A lot of people have been asking me to do another one ever since my first one, so here it is. This is a video just showing the different applications that I actually use and I keep in my dock. Applications that I use every day, my favorite applications, and it's a good way for you to actually see some new applications that you probably never seen before. And more than likely, you probably will see something here that you probably been looking for or wanting, and it'll be the perfect solution for you. I know that's happened with me every time I watch one of these videos. So I'm going to make it a habit to do one of these videos at least once a month, because I do add new applications, probably weekly. And I'll keep you up to date on them. But alright, well, I'll go ahead and start here to the bottom left here, and some of these applications come standard on the Mac, and I'll just hit them real quick, because you probably already seen or heard about them before. But this one is Finder. Finder is the way you find all the different types of information on your computer, on your Mac. So any of your files, your pictures, photos, movies, documents, everything on your Mac you can find in Finder. Safari is Apple's web browser that I actually switched from to go to this one, which is Firefox, which is my main internet browser, and is probably the most popular internet browser now. iPhoto comes standard on the Mac, a way to manage and manage all your photos. You can do slight editing with it, but nothing too fancy. But it's a good way to manage all your photos with iPhoto. iTunes, if you don't know what this is, then you definitely in trouble. But iMovie is comes again standard on the Mac, and this is a video editing program, which is very nice, very sleek, and it's free. But it was really good, and it was my primary video editor. But I switched to another program that I'll show you here later in the video. But iMovie is a great program to do some basic and some slightly advanced editing with movies. Now, iMovie HD, I'll open this up. iMovie HD is the version of iMovie before iMovie 08. Now, this is the version that a lot of people still hang on to and like better than the current version, because it had a lot more customizable features to it. As far as it had a little bit more themes, it had some good themes to it, a lot more themes you can choose from to edit it. And I don't have no videos loaded, so it's kind of hard to see, but you can get a rough idea. Also has some things you can do with the text, a lot more text features you can do to it. Have the text doing a lot of different things, and this is just non-existent in iMovie 08. And also you can do some video, effects too, but I don't have a video loaded, so you can't see it. But anyway, iMovie HD is free. You can download it from Apple's website. It's a free program, iMovie HD, and I recommend you getting it if you have iMovie, just to see the difference in it. Alright, back to the dock here. CamTwist is it's probably my favorite application that I recommend to everybody getting the Mac. It's an application that allows you to add a lot of different video effects to any of your live streaming. So if you have a webcam and use Yahoo Messenger, or you do like me, stream live on Ustream.tv, like a own video show or television show, this is the program you add a lot of different effects, from RSS feed, scrolling on the bottom, title effects, text effects. You can go into comic book mode. You can switch back and forth between multiple cameras. Do a lot of different things. You can show videos. I mean, just do a lot of different things with this program. So I did a video before going over it, but I am going to do another one here soon, going over some more features of it. And there's a lot of people been asking about this one too. So CamTwist, free program. If you have a Mac, download it. Alright, GarageBand is another free program that comes with every Mac. It's a program that allows you to edit and manage all your different music. Not manage, but you can edit a lot of different music, as far as if you want to make your own songs. You can play with hundreds of different instruments that comes with the program. You can make podcasts with it. I mean, just do anything with audio almost with this program. Very powerful program. System preferences, just an access to how to edit, everything basic things about your dock to your mouse pad, trackpad. So just like control panel, I'll say, kind of like your control panel on Windows. Activity Monitor, can't talk. Activity Monitor is just like Task Manager in Windows. A little bit easier, simpler to use though. Allows you to monitor all the different information that's going on your computer, and see all the different programs and how much CPU usage they're using, all that good stuff. And if you need to quit one, go ahead and quit it just like that. So it's pretty good. And it had a little thing here where you can change this to actually show how much RAM is being used. Or right now I'm just showing my different, how much my processor usage is. So I have a dual core, so it shows me two different slides here to show you how much I'm actually using, which is good. Alright, now ScreenFlow. Now this is my baby here. ScreenFlow is my favorite program on the Mac. It's a screen capture program, which I'm using right now to do this. So all the zooming in effects, all the You see my other videos, the picture-in-picture effects and stuff like that. It all comes with this program right here. And I had okay, it's done. So I was exporting another movie here while I was shooting this video, but it just finished. But anyway, you can see here it doesn't take up that many. I need to reshoot it now because I didn't have this wide. See, even I make mistakes. I'll go ahead and export it here now, live while I'm doing this. Export, replace. Okay, but ScreenFlow here is the program. You can do a lot of different things from the picture effect, like I said before. And it's just a breeze to use. It's very easy to use, especially with screen capture. It's good for presentations. It costs about $70, $80, I believe now. They always have in sales on it. Definitely go check it out. If you like what I do, trying to get into the same type of business here on YouTube, ScreenFlow is the program to use. Going next is VMware Fusion. VMware Fusion is the virtualization software to use to run over 60, 70, 80 different operating systems out there as a virtual machine. So right now I have Windows XP, which is going off my boot camp partition, but it turns that boot camp partition into a virtual machine here, so I can run Windows at the same time while I'm running Mac OS X Leopard. I did a video going over this already, so check that video out if you want to go into more detail about it. And I have Ubuntu here, which is another operating system, Linux operating system that I use too sometimes. So VMware Fusion, pretty good. All right, Google Chrome here. A lot of people ask me, how did I get Google Chrome every time they see this in my dock. Currently, Google Chrome is just Windows only. But how I got this icon here, it's not Chromium. This is actually Google Chrome. But I had this going off my VMware Fusion partition. So if I launch this, it will actually launch my Windows XP partition. But it won't have Windows XP running actually. It will just turn into just having Google Chrome. And I'll use that just like I use Firefox natively in Mac OS X. So it's pretty good. I like that. Dock spaces. I did another video of this already. A good way to manage and edit your dock. You can change your dock from space to space and have different applications in your dock from space to space too. So it's a lot of good things you can do with dock spaces. I like it a lot. uTorrent. uTorrent is a way to get some torrents, get some files downloaded as fast as possible. There are some other ones out there. I'm pretty sure there are some better ones out there I haven't looked at. I don't use this that much, but uTorrent is another good if you're really into torrents on your Mac. Frostwire is the brother to LimeWire. Frostwire is their version for Macs. Runs fine. No viruses, nothing like that. I use this from time to time to get some music or get something that I'm looking for legally. Well, I might be lying, but anyway, it's another good program to do that. So Frostwire, I like it a lot. iChat is another great application that comes on every Mac. Allows you, it's kind of their instant messenger client on here, but the video chat is great on it. Holding multiple video chats on it is great. It's easy to use and looks beautiful. You ever seen iChat before? It definitely looks nice. It's a great program. Skype is what I really started using lately here. I use it to take live calls on my Ustream event. So if you wonder how I'm doing that, I use a program called Skype. And Skype is just like Magic Jack. It's just like Vonage. It's a VoIP, which means voice over IP, which means you're just talking like a telephone with your computer. So all your communication goes over the internet. And it's a very good program. The quality of it is pretty good. It does depend on your connection and your headset, but it works fine. So Skype is a good program. It's free to download. It does have some paid features, and I'll get into that about a video on Skype. But it definitely is a free program to go Skype to Skype or computer to computer to talk to each other, and I recommend it. You can add me on Skype at Soldier Knows Best and talk to me. Plex is a application where you can find and manage and watch all your media content on here. Plex is a good program. I'm going to launch this definitely to show you how this looks. It's a very nice looking program here. Alright, so here's Plex is loaded up here. And you see it looks very nice. Right now I'm just checking the weather. But you can go up and down to configuring your system. View your pictures. Listen to your music that you have on here, either in your iTunes library or just on your hard drive itself. Having the TV shows, movies, videos, weather, already went over that. But it is nice. You see it's a smooth interface. It does have some bugs from time to time, it does lag a little bit, but it definitely put out some patches and fixes for it to make it run very smoothly. So here I'm just looking at the weather here, very easy. Very easy to navigate, very easy on the eyes. and so you can watch all your movies and stuff like that. So, all right, Plex, free program to download. I recommend it, and it looks very nice. All right, so let me get out of this here. All right, out of Plex and NeoOffice. I showed this in my last video, but this is the alternative to Microsoft Office, NeoOffice. It's just like Microsoft Office, just without the title. You can do everything in it. It's compatible with Microsoft Office. It's free. It's great. If you don't want to spend $200, $300 on any other program, this is a great program you can use. Also, Open Office is another great program, just like this. It's a little bit more popular, but I like NeoOffice. All right, disable backup. Simplest program that I have on my Mac. Disable backup allows you to disable or enable the backup for my iPhone, or it works with the iPod Touch. So one of the things that people kind of have a gripe with is that anytime you sync your iPhone, it automatically starts to do a backup, which has gotten a lot faster, but it still can take some minutes out of your time. So this one, if I just press this button, like I already pressed it now to, if I want to enable the backup, just press that button. So anytime I sync, it'll do the backup. Now if I just want to disable that, press this button again, and so now it's not going to do the backup. It's going to, as soon as I press sync, it's just going to sync all my information that I want to sync, which is pretty good. So I love this program. Very simple, easy to use. It's called Disable Backup. Final Cut Express, used to edit videos and stuff like that. Don't use it that often, but it's a good program that I think a lot of people do use to edit the videos and add a lot of different effects to it. And also this comes with Live Type, which I use to make my intro video. Audio Hijack Pro. I use this. I just started using this in conjunction with Skype, another program that allows me to take Skype calls live over the air on Ustream. So this Audio Hijack just basically takes the audio from one of these programs like DVD Player, your iChat, your iTunes, QuickTime, Safari, Skype. You can add some other ones, but it just takes whatever audio is coming out of there and brings this into this program. So it's very sweet. Alright, this is just my document stack. And I have my application stack, where it's another way you can get to all your applications just by pressing this button here. And as you see, it looks nice. This is my recent applications. This came with dock spaces. And this, you press it just to see all the recent applications that you actually opened up. So you can see the last 10 here. And let me go to applications. One I didn't have down here, I meant to have down here. So I'm going to put it down here now. Alright, it's GetTube. GetTube is a program which you can download YouTube videos. It's a very easy program to use. I had some other ones in the past, but this is by far the best one. And I saw this from another video from somebody who subscribed to me. I forgot your name. She knows who I'm talking about, but she made a video and I saw this and I picked it up. So GetTube is a program. So if I have a YouTube video open right now, so I have this video open right now and I want to download this video. So all I need to do is press GetTube and press the Firefox, because I am using Firefox. So choose the browser that I am using and press it. Hey, this is just doing a video going over the and alright, that's the video that I want to download. It's the title of the video right there. And all you got to do is press download. So now download to whatever location that you have set for it. So it's pretty good. Don't need to download because I already got it. But it works very well with that, and it's very simple, easy to use. But that is about it. And a recycle bin, trash can. It's all your trash goes. But anyway, that's about it. That's my what's in my doc video here. I definitely like doing these videos because I definitely think a lot of people learn some different things. I know I learn something every time I watch one of these videos or see another application. So this has been Soldier Knows Best. Watch me for the first time. Go check out my channel. I do have a lot of other videos going over tech. Subscribe to my channel. You'll be entering my giveaways, and I'll catch you later. Peace.